started on the morning of 23rd November 2018, and I was getting ready for my office when I came to know that consulate of China has been attacked. I came to know through police sources. So instead of going to office, I rushed towards a place of incident, and over there I came to know that 2 policemen have been martyred. And over there, the first thing that I was supposed to do was to ascertain the map, the entry and exit points. I reached there. I called for more manpower, for armored personnel carrier vehicles, for bomb disposal squad, for ambulances, and I managed all the logistics there. I informed my seniors, and simultaneously everyone reached there, and within an hour, around an hour, the attack was neutralized. All the 3 terrorists were killed, and Chinese foreigners living inside the consulate were saved. So that time, that moment, it was a very hectic day, a tough day, but at the same time very rewarding day. And I would say that actual credit goes to the men, the policemen who laid their lives, and my team, my seniors, like the enthusiasm they showed that day, that actually paid off. My job description involves crime control, crime fighting, preventive action, maintaining law and order situation, looking after VIP movement, and daily, when I know when to come to office, but I don't know when I'm supposed to go back home. And I enjoy my job so much. I started my job in 2016 January, and my first posting was in Hyderabad. And being a new entrant in the police service of Pakistan, it was a wonderful experience in Hyderabad, because Hyderabad is mix of rural and urban center. Over there were several incidents that from them I learned a lot. One of them was attack on a press club, Hyderabad. It was attack from a right-wing, I would say activist of a right-wing party. And I remember the journalists inside from the press club kept on calling me that we need help. And I reached there, and inside APC, I moved towards the activist having stones in their hands, having batons in their hands. It was my first experience, first real life encounter with mob, a very charged mob. Anyhow, we became successful in saving the press club Hyderabad. Apart from this, there is another encounter that I remember. It was an encounter in the area of Sakhipir police station, Hyderabad, where a notorious dacoit named Kamran Urf Kodu, he was killed during that encounter. It took place back in 2016. Apart from this, another experience that's very close to my heart is acceptability and the appreciation that I received from people of Hyderabad. Then my second posting was in Frontier Constabulary, Peshawar. And I served in Peshawar and Hyderabad during my attachment with Frontier Constabulary. And for that force, I would say that that's a really resilient force, brave men that never get tired. And I came to know that we have legacy of such forces in Pakistan, like Frontier Constabulary, and of course Sindh Police, Punjab Police, and other department. But this FC carries a very different legacy than other services, and the people from KPK knows that isko cut kijiyega. People from KPK know that how FC is different from other services. Okay, and then I was after 1 year I got posted back to Sindh Police, and my first posting was in not the first posting after after attachment. My first posting was in Kotri Jamshoro, and it was a subdivision that was again a mix of rural and urban centers. But Kotri and Jamshoro was a bit more, I would say, adventurous than Hyderabad, because it had we call it Sardari system. a system where the local notables had influence on overall working environment of bureaucracy in the district. So Jamshoro has 3 universities in it: Sindh University, Mehran University and Lumps University. And the population of those universities varies between 35,000 to 40,000 on every day basis. So it was again a thrilling experience for me to maintain law and order, and also to deal with harassment cases in those universities. And to my credit and to the credit of my team, I would say that incidents of harassment came to a level of 0% during my tenure. And alhamdulillah, we have made a kind of a strategy to cope up if any such incidents arise. Apart from this, there was another experience that I want to share with you. That was one morning of 2017, or maybe early months of 2018, when a bomb was found outside of Mehran University, and it had explosives into it of around 8 to 10 kgs. Someone fixed it with footpath, and me, my team, my senior officers, we rushed to the crime scene. We called for BD, and we deterred that attack, and we saved many lives. It was also one of the success stories that I have to tell my coming generations or to the people. And then this is different than interior Sindh, and especially the area that I'm serving in Clifton. It has different dynamics. It's different from other parts of Karachi. It's area consisting of elite class, and I would say there are positive points and negative points both attached to it. In 2012, I took my CSS exam, and before that I was doing chartered accountancy, and along with chartered accountancy I have been graduated in commerce and masters in economics. My early school days were in Tando Mohammad Khan, my birthplace and my hometown. It's situated somewhere like 35 kilometers away from Hyderabad, towards north, I would guess, towards north of Hyderabad. And after that we shifted to Hyderabad for more education, and from a small town we moved to relatively a bigger city, and slowly, gradually, I would say that I learned what to do in life, and I am happy to be a police officer, because I have this feeling at the end of the day that whatever I am because of my very own self. And it's often considered that in Pakistan it's very difficult to get government job, but I would say that no, it's not. We have a competitive examination that's very transparent, and it merits the talented person. So I went for I took the exam, I passed it in first attempt, and I chose what I wanted to choose, and that is Police Service of Pakistan. And now, being member of a disciplined force, I would say that the uniform has given me pride, and I feel honored when I wear this uniform.